In front of me is Redmi Note 7 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to 1 hour. Begin by accessing Play Store and getting free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Hit OK in Welcome pop-up and tap on Timeout. Now select 1 hour at the bottom and when you finished, close your app. Then go into Tab menu and select Edit Tile. Now scroll all the way down and look for Caffeine shortcut. When you find it, hold it and drag it to your menu. Place it wherever you wish to, let go and hit Done at the bottom right corner. Finally, you need to click on your new shortcut. Tap on gray switcher next to Allow modifying system settings. Go back to Tab menu and click on your shortcut again. As you can see, after that, Caffeine app was successfully activated. To switch it off, click on the same tile. If you wish to change your timeout, you can always go back to an app. Select Timeout and click on any of those options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!